Hi, this is part 52 of our 101 blogging tips video series. And the title of today's video is if you're having any problems with your WordPress blog, the first thing you want to do is actually check your plugins, okay? So I have this site and I just haven't got around to it for ages. But basically this site has been down, not working for like literally, I don't know, quite a long time anyway, for months. And I get this error establishing a database connection message when I go to the site, so I haven't been able to log into the back of it or anything. So today I'm going into my WHM to go into my actual hosting account to get logged into my server. Okay, so let me just see here. The first thing I have to do now is just have to find the actual cPanel account. Okay, and then then I'm going to log into the cPanel there. Okay, and now when I'm in the cPanel, I'm going to have to find the files. Okay, so I'm going to have to find the files. Try the file manager here. Okay. Okay, now it's sort of looking like it's maybe not here. Can't actually see it. So what I'm going to do is, I can't see it, it's probably a different cPanel. So we'll try a different cPanel. So let me close this one up. I'll try this one. Okay, it doesn't seem to be in this one either. Which is a bit strange, but let's see, first of all. Okay, so it must be in this one. Yep, there's 3 of 5 domains. So I think this is the one here. Yep, that's it. So you'll see here your different domains. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the one that I want, and I'm going to go into WP content file. And then if you go to plugins, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try deleting some plugins and see if that makes a difference. Okay, so get rid of these. It's quite often you'll find that your plugins is what actually is messing your whole site up. So I'll try this anyway. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to try and refresh the website. Okay, so obviously on this occasion it maybe isn't the plugins, and that's okay. So it says I need to repair the database. WP config PHP file. So we'll try this. We'll try adding this code to the config file. Config. Edit. Okay, I'm going to paste this in. And my site has just gone up. I got a notification and it's been down for absolutely ages. No. Okay, so it's still not working. busy. So I'm going to delete this. It's working. Oh, that worked. I think that worked. I think that worked. That's it. So, if it wasn't a problem with your plugins, which it generally is, normally if you have a problem, it's nearly always the plugins that you've the problem with. Yeah, brilliant. It could also be the database. So we seem to have sorted that out, which is pretty cool. So we're back up and running now. This poor site has been down for like months and months and months. So I'm pretty pleased with that today. So before we go from this video today, what I want to talk about is, the first thing I want to talk about is that things that are normally a plugin error are, you go to log into your WordPress blog, you can get you know, a database error connection that could be caused by conflicting plugins, right? So what you need to do is, if you go into your cPanel, right, you go into your cPanel and you basically go into your WP content file, and then if you go into plugins, and what you can do is you can just delete plugins one at a time, right? You can also rename them. Okay, so if you rename them, the plugin won't work. So if you rename all the plugins and then you just fix each one at a time, and then every time you fix one plugin, check and see if the website's working again, right? And that way you eliminate the plugins that are damaging your site. So like if you go and disable all these plugins, rename them, right, and then start putting them back one at a time. If I put back the WordPress SEO plugin and then go to my site and it's working, you know, then it's fine. And then if I come here and I do the plug matter one and then the site goes down, then it's the plug matter one that's damaging my site, so I need to remove it. Okay, so that is how you would sort out your problems to your site. Now normally if you're having problems, you'll either get maybe a database error connection message, which you just saw me fix there, or you will get a white screen. So you might get a white screen where you go to log into your WordPress, and nearly always when you get a white screen on WordPress, that means you go type in your login details and you get a white screen. It nearly always is a plugin conflict. So all you need to do to get back into your site and get it working is to just, you can rename the plugin files in here, or you can delete them, right? Like I said, if you rename them all and then you activate it one at a time, then you'll see which plugin is causing it. As you turn it on, you'll go and it'll go white again. Then you know that's the plugin that's giving you the problem. So you can delete that or deactivate it, and then that will be your WordPress blog working again. So that's a tip for you. You know, it'll save you loads of hassle with going to, you know, your hosting company and stuff. And this is generally what causes errors, mostly inside WordPress. So that's it for today's training, and I will talk to you again in the next one. Thanks very much.